Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a...
What is this guy doing on here? My God. What's going on? Otter gang. Dave Digital. What's going on, my friends? It's 11:33. Ones and threes, baby. Ones and threes. We're not going to pull the lifer. We may be taking Ben's spot. This is what, I mean, this cost me a lot of money this morning to $25,000 to press my Streamlabs. I pressed the Streamlabs. That cost me about $10K. Then I pulled up TradingView, my subscription, you know. That cost me another $200. And guys, man, I can't keep paying Dave Digital for those photos. What is going on, guys? I know it's early, but we here. Shout out to you guys. Tony Soprano, Anthony Soprano, what's going on, my man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. 12 Big Dallas. I can't forget your name now. 12 Big Dow. What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. Elo Brown, the man, the myth, the legend, the man who's always supporting. Thank you so much for being here. B Team Crypto, always coming through for the Otter gang. All right. We got you all set. Ready, set, go. Let's go. All set. Everybody set? Are we ready for some trades? We're waiting right now. We're in a waiting phase. Got a nice wick to the upside here. And we got post here. Post notifications. Post you up in the paint. Post man. So patiently, Mr. Postman. What's going on, man? Dave Digital, man. What's going on, man? Good to see you, my brother. Army Piper's in the chat. What's going on, Piper? Are you monetized yet, man? We gotta throw some super chats at you pretty soon, man. Much love to Piper. He's in the chat. Dave P. All set. Dave Digital, man. You guys are killing it, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel. Yes, we are early today. We are gonna go play some whack fuck. Now, if you play golf. Get your club right here. Four. I give you a full body. So today we're going to go play some golf. Now, at least once a week, mostly Thursdays, I go golfing, okay? Indoor golfing because it's still cold in Canada. We are dumping right now, by the way. Indoor golfing. And it helps me release my mind. You know, I think every person, every man, every woman needs an outlet. And for me, I'm an athlete. I'm a short athlete. Like I play basketball, I play baseball, I played all of this stuff. However, for me, when you get in that flow state, in nature, golfing, it's a very one-on-one kind of game. It's my area, right, where I get to go and hang out with me. Sometimes that can help me clear up my mind for the charts. Retro Mike, what's going on, man? He said, what the is this? That's just my thing, right? So we're coming on early on Thursdays. We're taking Ben's spot. Okay? When dunk, I'm 5'5". I am not tall, man. I am not tall. But I have Mighty Mouse syndrome. I do not have the short person syndrome, but I have Mighty Mouse syndrome, okay? However, we are going to go out to go curling. We go indoor golfing. It's like a simulator. You hit it into a screen. You play Augusta. You play all the big, cool Pebble Beach, all those cool things. The only thing I'm dunking on is those little kiddie nets. You know, the little tiny plastic ones you used to slide up as a kid and just dunk on kids? Oh, man. Too good, too good, too good. How we all doing, man? How we all doing? Good to see you. Piper's in the chat. Retro Mike's in the chat. ZTS Rhythm. It's in the rhythm of the night. That's Piper's son, man. You better behave yourself. We got to do some adult talk here. No, we love you, bro. Thank you so much for being here. Man, you're lucky. I mean, I'm sure your dad's hard on you because every dad should be hard on you. But you're here with a good community and good like-minded people trying to help each other be profitable, learning all about this beautiful, crazy world of stocks and stuff. B Team Crypto is jiu-jitsu and archery all seasons. Let's go, B Team Crypto. I mean, I would want to mess around with someone who can anaconda you. Is it anaconda that strangles you? Anaconda you and then shoot you with an arrow. Maybe he shoots you in the leg just so he can choke you out. Imagine he just gives you the Achilles shot. The pew. And then he comes up to you, chokes you. Oh, how you like me now? Tap. Oh man. That'd be too funny. Army Piper member for 1 month, man. Look at the comment I made above about Piper Academy subs. Piper Academy subs. What's going on with the Piper? Are you above me yet, man? We're waiting for you to get above me, man. Thank you everybody for the support. Did you hit 800? I'm about to break 900 subs, bro. People are FOMOing into the Piper Academy. Let's go. Let's go, man. That's awesome, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. We love you, bro. We love you, man. I love seeing you win, man. Anybody who hates on someone growing, no friend of mine. Let's go. Piper Academy blowing up, man. Blowing up. Look at this guy. Let's go. 867, baby. I told you were going to pass me, man. It's that prediction video. Nah. Let's go, man. That's amazing. Look at my faces all over your channel, man. That's amazing, man. I love you, bro. I love you, man. Look at this guy doing well. Always giving alphas. Got great guests, man. I love you, bro, man. It's good to see you win, man. It's good to see you win. It's good to see good people win, man. That's what it's all about, man. That's what it's all about. If you're not subscribed to Piper Academy, I mean, go FOMO into the Piper Academy. I'm always coming in the morning lives, checking in on you guys, making sure you're not giving anybody any FUD. Let's go, man. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Getting some viewers. I mean, your knowledge is profit. You're bringing the alpha. You got a good crew of guys, including myself. And I mean, you're just a good friend, man. You're just a good friend, and you're a good human, and you deserve every bit of it. So keep up the good work, bro. 1K subs, here we come. 1K subs, here we come. Melissa, what's going on? Good morning to you. It's still morning. It's 11:41. We got on a big push this morning. Oh no, B Team Crypto. B Team Crypto. He did not just say, "Who is your daddy?"
California. This is Arnold Schwarzenegger.
B Team Crypto with the super chat. My guy.
Bastard.
It's not Friday, but who cares?
Who is your daddy and what does he do? Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go, B Team Crypto. $2 super chat. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Stop whining. Stop whining. John Kimball. Get to the chopper. Much love, B Team Crypto, with the $2 super chat. Thank you so much for being here. You're always here, man. I appreciate your support, and you're doing great, man. 870, bro. Let's keep going. That's amazing, Piper. Good job, man. Let's go. All right, so what do we got here, guys? We got a little bit of pump this morning. Now, I didn't realize this, and I was looking for the short, and I was wrong, okay? Now, I took a loss this morning, and I got knocked out. We didn't get confirmation here, so I probably shouldn't have taken this trade, but I was looking for a continuation to the downside, okay? And I was looking for something like this, and it came through and knocked me out, lost about $200. That's okay. However, we are kind of kind of binging and bonging. I don't know if I'm allowed to copyright that, but we're kind of just chopping sideways here. So we're gonna kind of look at what we got here, how we could have caught this move. Now, what I didn't realize is market structure is very important, my friends. And what I didn't realize here is if we look here, okay, this is because I always review my losses, right? I always review my losses. Stopped out, it's a minor loss. Right, we had like a $600 day yesterday, so we're not really worried. You know what I mean? That's why our wins are better than our losses. However, market structure is so important, right? So you see, you got your low here, your low here. Now this low here is actually lower than this low here. Okay, so for me, it's hard to say this, but for me, this move to the upside here, where we're making higher lows, right? Right? It's hard for me to fully say that we came down and broke this structure here. So we didn't. We had all the crazy news yesterday, but we didn't come down and break this structure here. So this is what was I did not see this morning, okay? I did not see. So for me, until we break this structure here, come down a little bit lower, grab the liquidity, right? I should have been anticipating some sort of bounce here, okay? I should have been anticipating a bounce here. And I even said this morning, I want to long. And honestly, I probably should have because we blasted off to the top, right? Now, in hindsight, we definitely have to be aware of market structure. And we know this was a very, very fuddy day yesterday. So we were saying last night that we were waiting for the dust to settle, okay? Now, crazy, chop sideways. We're looking for this to roll over. There's a lot of bearish signs here on market cipher that will go over. However, the short term was actually quite bullish. So, yes, longer term time frames have a stronger hold on the shorter term time frames. However, they do take time to play out. Okay, so that's just a little bit of a idea of here of where we were wrong. And it's okay to be wrong, right? Because part of trading is losing, right? You got to be the best loser, right? You can be. And 886 subs now. This guy's just flying, man. This guy's just flying. Good job, Piper. Good job, man. So we can see that we're definitely pushing up. We got a big wick here and where we're looking to go. So we'll look definitely across on what we're looking at, what we're trying to get at, and how we're trying to trade this. Now, if there's any alts you would like me to look at, just let me know, okay? I've never done a Q&A thing here, so. Hella bullish on Piper BS face versus face. Yes, so today, Army Piper is going to go head-to-head with Mr. Market Cipher himself. Crypto face. We're gonna have to slide you some trade signals there. I don't think you need them. However, Arnold's got your back, okay? Arnold's got your back.
This is Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Get down. This is Army Piper. Stop whining. I am the Piper Academy. So we're gonna continue to pump your bags. Okay, we'll just keep the Piper Academy over here and keep refreshing it. Get that dopamine hit. 887. So we'll keep that on lock. Now it looks like we're getting a little bit of a pushback. So let me know in the chat what alts you want me to look at. This is a random live stream, so I'm not ill prepared. I'm always prepared. However, use not market cipher against face. Yeah. CryptoFace is a good trader, and he is more of a swing trader and uses high capital to his advantage. He is smart. Yeah. Alex, tell us more. Do you want kids? Yes, I do. I would love to have a little bambino, man. I would love to have a little bambino. No pressure, Piper. you might have to hold the fort, man. You get some bragging rights. I mean, any trader can win against any trader. It's a long-term game, guys. It's a very long-term game. Pull up Fu Manchu on the live stream. You guys are fucking degens. I love it, man. I love it. Okay, so we got this curling over here, popping up to the upside. Now this high, I'm not liking this high. So if we go swing high, to swing low. Okay, and we check out where our fib is. It actually lines up perfectly with our 43,000 level that we are watching right now. However, we are around the point of control, right? So for me, if we chop around here, wouldn't be surprised, okay? Big liquidity grab. Also, when not taking this long trade, and we said long here, and we did it, then we shorted here and we got knocked out, okay? I did take a long scalp from here to here before the live stream. Made a couple hundred. That's okay as well. So when looking at this too, let's go to the 30-minute. We can see, let's go to the 1 hour. And even over here on our dynamics, I do like how you can get like all these beautiful things like fair value gaps and stuff on this. Shout out to Chart Prime for hooking us up with the beautiful indicator here. We enable fair value gaps, and I believe this would be a fair value gap, wouldn't it, Piper? Maybe not. Maybe not. 90-minute. Check it out now. So we let it load. However, we are getting support here from the dynamic reactor on the short-term time frames. That could have given us an indication of where we're looking to grab liquidity, right? I like these loud things, right, where they're telling you, hey, you want to either swing failure down here. It builds a sandwich for you, right? And we don't want to be trading in the middle of the sandwich where we're at right now, unless you're scalping, right? Unless you're scalping. However, we do want to be using all our tools to the best of our advantages. And right now, what is Market Oracle saying? So it's saying a strong buy. Oh, that's pretty cool. What would you give me on the 24? Okay, I like the 24. Let's take a look here. So we get into a reversal signal, a buy signal here, now a reversal signal here. We're currently under the dynamic reactor. We're bouncing off the 0.5, I believe. So when we pull the fib, you can see we just barely got to the 0.5. Now we have a rejection. However, our bullish momentum continues to the upside. So we're definitely tracking momentum like this, where we want to see that continuation to the upside. If it fails to continue and it breaks through this uptrend, then we look for a possible reversal. We're also looking for a possible short that was given in advance up at $43,000. Okay, $43,000. Okay, so overall, long term, I'm still kind of bearish. Are you at 900 yet? 899, guys. 899. One more. Let's go. Let's go. What's popping off on your channel here? 416 views. Which one is it? Can we sort them by popular or something? Look at all these legends, man. Come on. 900? 900 for Piper. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. You know what? You know what, Piper? We're gonna demonetize. We're gonna demonetize. We're going to demonetize for Piper. Are we doing it, guys? I think we're doing it. Let's go. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. Pump it up, baby. I love you, Piper. We pumping it for you. Oh my God, those super chats. I'm coming back at you with those super chats.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
906, baby, let's go.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I'm a grower, not a shower.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. And I'm sorry for shouting, but it just disgusts me what these people in
Let's go. Piper Academy. $20 super chat. Much love to you, man. God bless you, bro, man. I love seeing you win. Pump that shit to the moon. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Dave Digital says, Alex, I heard we still have $24,998 left on our stream budget. Okay, guys, because doing this live stream costs about $25,000 if you're not aware of what I'm talking about. To make sure you're not spending too much money on your Streamlabs, that's a free product, okay? God bless you, Piper. Thank you so much for the super chat, man. If you aren't following Army Piper, why not? Why not? Give your head a check, man. I long JUP USDT. We're gonna have to take a look at this JUP coin. 910. We may break 1,000 today. Let's go, Piper, man. Let's go, man. That's fucking awesome, bro. We'll keep refreshing you. 912. 912. All's well. Awesome, bro. Awesome. That's awesome. Okay, so we're gonna look at some things on Market Cipher. We're gonna go flipping through this. Keep supporting our homie Army Piper. Wild. Just massive explosion. Now, this was the one thing that was concerning me. Ben just says he has 25K of things that he was writing off of his taxes. Yeah, that's the thing. Oh man. So we got some liquidity up top here to come and grab. Let's see if Bitcoin can continue this pump. And let's see if we can continue to be right. Let's put our probabilities on the right side of the world. So the 3-day bullish trigger wave popping to the upside, money flows continuing upwards. Okay, so that's a naysay. Now, we were giving you guys these ideas earlier this morning. How the daily is my concern. Okay, the daily is my big concern, where we're getting a downwards VWAP crossover here on the daily. Okay, this is going to be, if we get a confirmed red dot, this could be by Friday. We did get a push today, so this is kind of negating it. We could bounce here off of the zero line, okay? So this is one thing that wasn't confirmed. We're approaching the zero line on the VWAP. We are seeing that curvature down here. We could see a possible pop-off continuation to the upside. We want to see this money flow change directions, okay? That's the big key here, because money flow is coming out, right? So we definitely want to see this switch directions and this not confirm a red dot and come downwards. That could be detrimental to the markets. Okay, so we're aware of that. Okay, then we go to the 12-hour. Tradefly, what's going on, Twinsy? My man. Looks like you guys over there are growers, not showers. Okay, you guys got a good show, but look at this. What are we at now? 916, man. We're getting 1K today, man. We're getting 1K today, man. Let's throw those helmets up in the chat, man, for Army Piper, man. My friend, bro, you're getting it, bro. You're getting it, man. You're getting it. You're getting what you deserve. And a lot of hard work, it goes and shows it pays off, right? So, the big thing here, okay, there's some things I need to point out. Okay, so we got this movement down. Oops, that's the wrong tool, guys. Make sure you use the wrong tool, the right tool. We're on the 12-hour here, guys. So, what we can see here with the price action is we can see that we got the move down. Okay. Nice move down. Now, this high is higher than this high. So we got a break of structure here on this downtrend, okay? Very nice break of this high. So we have come down here. What are we expecting? Are we expecting something like this? Or, right? Or are we expecting something like this, right? Where we come down here, right? So there's options here, right? Where you can get a beautiful ABC, right? Or you can get the ABC, right? So right now, we're waiting to see what happens. Now, what's important to understand is where the liquidity lies, okay? Retro Mike, your message was, you just got Streamlabbed, Retro Mike. Blockchain Bonehead, what's going on, my man? Good to see you. Crux of Crypto in here, man. Lunar Beaches Crypto, Schaefer, everybody throwing in those Army Piper hats, man. We're out here. We just went live to Shill Piper Academy. He's doing so much for the community. Oh, 918, we got to keep pumping this. This is good. This is good. This is good. I love it, man. Streamlabs is always keeping you guys on your toes. You guys got to watch that language, okay? You got to watch the language. So now we have a range, okay? We have a range. And we have definitely put in some significant highs leading up to the buy the rumor, sell the news event. Okay, so buy the rumor, sell the news event. That happened. I called that. I don't care if you called it. It happened, okay? What are we going to do about it now? Okay, so you get this breakdown of structure here. Now, where does the liquidity lie? To me, the liquidity lies up here and down here. Okay, and we are kind of in the middle, right? We're kind of in the middle, stuck in the middle with you. So what I would like to see is a swing failure pattern down and then a continuation up. I believe if we do come down here, we could be looking for more lower price action, though. If we do fall from here, gives us an opportunity to fall through the cracks here, right? So for me, I would like to see the steady momentum continue to the upside and at least get up to the 0.618, right? We have bounced quite nicely off of the 0.5. Okay, so that's nice to see. However, we've had a very, 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 very crazy week, okay? Very crazy week. And it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop. Tomorrow, okay, we got manufacturing that came in good today, positive manufacturing news. But then we got unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls tomorrow, okay? So it doesn't stop, right? It doesn't stop. Non-farm payrolls, all that good stuff. And then we got like this Solana jup. Now, what do you guys thoughts? Let me know in the chat about this Solana's jup. Surpasses 450 million in trading in less than 6 hours. Jupiter with his big ass red dot thing, right? Decentralized exchange aggregator Jupiter opened this Wednesday the claim period to users who qualify for the airdrop of its native token called JUP. In less than 6 hours, the tokens registered over 450 million in trading volume on the Jupiter's platform alone. Okay, so this is pretty crazy. It shows you how fast, Solana ecosystem stuff's pretty fire right now. So slow. So we'll have to take a look at JUP. Okay, let's take a look at JUP. JUP. It's on Bybit. Oh, it's flying. It's flying. So the typical rug occurred. Okay, the typical rug. Okay. 26% spread. Looking like it's trying to find some support down here at 57 cents. 57 cents? Gave it the old 2 account like smash. Oh, shit. FD White, 100x long at 40.5. Sheesh. 40.5. That's crazy. Free coins equals sell-off, says Retro Mike Tech. Smash the like button, guys, because, you know, we all hanging out here. We pumping up. We're watching Piper's bags pump as we speak. 934 subscribers. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Let's go, my brother. 500 views on the price prediction video. Watch out for Granite Grappler. He's got a crossbow. We're all just sitting here waiting for Bitcoin to do something. Going back to Bitcoin. Okay, so the 12-hour red dot money flow looking to cross over the zero line. I pointed this out this morning in the Discord, so make sure you join us in the free Discord. But we were looking for this crossover. It hasn't occurred, okay? And look at the VWAP. It's posturing to the upside. So this could mean that we are simply going to do something like this, and we can anticipate for a momentum wave to come back up and then give us some sort of either a lower low or a higher low, right? So we anticipate that. And what would that mean for price action? We would typically want price to come back up, something like this, right? And for us to get a higher low, right? And that would bring us down, right? However, right now, this, look at this. Look at the RSI, man. Just flying off the handles here. Green posturing as well. This is looking pretty bullish to the upside in the short term, okay? In the short term. I already subbed 2 weeks ago, which is pretty awkward because I'm more of a dom, actually, says Mark Touch. Oh my God. 947. This guy is on fire. It's all that price prediction videos, man. I can see it. The views are climbing. Much love to you, brother. 950, guys. 951. We just got to keep hitting it. 953. 954. This is fun. 955. Yes, Piper, man. This is awesome, bro. This is awesome. You better not lose Trading Wars today or they're all going to unsub. Oh, man. Piper's breaking out of a falling wedge. That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. So the 3-day here has room. The 4-day is crossing over the zero line. Okay, there's a lot of bullish signs here going on with the long-term time frames. Okay, so if there's any alts that you guys want me to look at, we can go over them. Okay, we can go over them. Look at the massive move here on Bitcoin coming back up. Massive move on Bitcoin. Up and then flush, says David Brumbelow. So we're anticipating a rejection coming up here at 43,000. It's moving on up, but we're getting some big bullish momentum to the upside. Okay, so big bullish momentum to the upside. We have a golden pocket up here. Let's see if we can get past this area that we keep knocking our head against the door here. And let's see if we can continue to pump it up for Piper. Because we love Piper. One more time. Our friend Piper.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know,
66.
pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
70. We're gonna get to 1,000 by the end of the stream.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
They're all watching.
You're probably going to see
Because it's handsome doubles.
100 to 200% movement. Now, if we go up 100% from here, that kind of falls right in line because a lot of people talk about, all right, every halving, it kind of gets cut in half, like when they take that.
Oh, this guy was his geometry.
Also target being very close to that million target area. So if we get
getting the
Oh, this
parabolic
dang
run
chart.
like we
Maybe
always
it's
do.
this dang
You can
chart,
see after
man.
each having big parabolic run, big parabolic run. Let's go over
RXD,
here
yeah, no
and take a
problem.
look at where my prediction leads us to. So taking a look at this, I believe that we are going.
That run up in this guy full run. Okay, so we did have an outlier. Luna Beach is crypto.
Retracement, and we're just gonna come down to 10K. What am I talking about? I'm talking about this is nonsense, guys. We're taking this away. We're getting rid of this.
979, baby. We almost there.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up.
Fuck yeah, let's go, Piper.
Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Guys, we're gonna do TA on RXD.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. And I'm sorry for shouting, but it just disgusts me what
We'll be back. All right. RXD, quickly. I did the Piper Academy chart, guys. It was looking like this. And then it's just like to the moon. $984. Guys, we're gonna hit 1,000 on the stream for our boy. Looking at RDX here. We got RDX. Okay, that's a very high volume area here. And then you have that support down here. Look at that. Bounced off perfectly. Let's go over to the short-term time frames here for you. Tradefly with the $5 super chat. That's American, man. I can't afford that. Much love to you, Tradefly. My fam. We're gonna do this in the live. We'll come right back to Radiant, but we got to do this on the live for our friend Piper Academy. The man, the myth, the legend, putting in the work. Putting in the work daily. Let's go. Let's count it down. 998. 999. What? Got like 100, 200 views on that Bitcoin price prediction video. That's awesome. Let's go. Piper Academy, man. Congratulations, man. We gotta retweet this now.
Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
I don't know OC's tag, man. This guy is... Congratulations, Army Piper, Trade Fly, OC guy. 101. You're at 101. You're flying, man.
Power to undermine everything they're doing to people around the world. And I'm sorry for shouting, but it just
congratulations
disgusts me
on the Piper
what these
Academy.
people in government do, and they do it through central banking. And
everybody in my house probably thinks I'm a lunatic. That's all right. Okay. Retro Mike. You got 3 levels here. You're kind of in a nice downwards trend here. You can see on the daily, we have a nice wick back up. So it did hold as support. You're back above the value area low. You're looking to come back up to this area here, which is 007. Let's call it 18. Okay, 0018. Okay, that's your area that you're looking to come back to right now. You can see you're in some sort of falling wedge, downtrend here. So you can go from here to here, like however you want to pull it. It is quite wicky, so you want to be very careful here. However, you could be bottoming here. This does look a little bit of a bottoming kind of area, and typically you wait for the breakout of this downwards trend line where you're looking to pop off. So very, very, sell-off action here. You see the bullish momentum. You want to see this money flow creep back up alongside with the VWAP here posturing to the upside, okay? So that's something I'll keep an eye on for you on the daily. And then going over to the 12-hour, you can see you're getting the double green dot, which is a good sign. You've gotten a nice push back here. Hopefully this is breaking some structure on the 4-hour. Yes, you're getting above these previous wicks here. It's very choppy, but a nice push back. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if you retest halfway down this candle and then continue your way marching towards this downwards trend line. Okay, and you can draw a trend line as well within this area too, where you're seeing the breakout now. Army Piper says, Kyle Dupes from Crypto Banter sub today. I'll be a guest on his show soon. That's awesome, man. Thank you so much for the $5 super chat, my friend Army Piper, man, coming through. Much love to you, brother. I appreciate you, man. I love seeing the good people win, man. I know my community is based on people who are honest and kind and no drama free. With what do you say? Drama free, not traumatizing. Trauma free. Okay. People who are authentic and who hold themselves accountable, who are honest and transparent, who aren't bullshitters. First thing I said when I got on my live this morning is I took a loss, right? I had another good trade after that. However, I did take a loss initially this morning, right? But shout out to you, man. You deserve it. I love seeing people win, especially the good people, man. The good people deserve it. And I know how much work you put in, right? And I'll continue to show up for you, brother, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. What are you at now? I'm getting dopamine hits just watching you win. Anyways. So we're going to go over ADA. Drama-free content and trauma-free trading. That's the one. Trader Geo, Dave, bro, how are you a mod on everyone's channel? Trader Geo, welcome, man. Trader Geo, believe it or not, this channel was the first channel to ever give Dave a wrench. Believe it or not. But welcome, man. Nice to see you here, Trader Geo. So, Mike, Retro Tech, you look to have some support down here as well. Okay, so let's see if we get a little bit of a pushback, retest continuation, looking for that breakout of this downtrend falling wedge. You got this 18 level is going to be your point of control, but you do have very good support, it seems, down at this 15 level. Okay, so within this range, you're looking for that momentum to build to the upside. You can see you're getting a lot of bearish momentum to the downside. However, money flow is coming back up, so it does look like you're getting a bit of a push here, and look for this to continue up on the short term. You have broken structure over here, so that's good to see. But like I said, you're probably looking for a little bit of a retest and then a continuation. And then that downwards trend line is going to be your first obstacle. And then you flip that, and hopefully you can get above this 15 area. But yes, nice move to the upside. V-shaped recovery kind of pattern. Look for that continuation to the upside, trying to break through. Looking good, looking good. Because I love good people. That's it, Dave Digital. Dave Digital, did you change your picture? Are you just in a Frankie Candles hat? Is that just a Frankie Candles hat? I don't recognize your picture anymore. I liked the white lady. I always recognized you with the white lady. Aw. You're still handsome. You're still handsome. So, Retro Mike, I'll buy you a Maserati when I buy my beach farm. Aw, Mike, I just want a homestead with the missus and a nice simple life with a nice family and maybe some chickens. I'm pretty simple, man. Maybe a truck. I don't know. Canada. It's pretty crazy. I don't want anything from you, bro. Just your kindness and you being here, man. I appreciate you. I saw Ada from Tony Soprano. He wanted me to take a look at Ada, so let's take a look at Ada. What's going on? Good people are the best. That's where it's at. What's going on, TM? He said, nice haircut. Yeah, I got a haircut yesterday. Trying to be styling, profiling. Casper can sell you some chickens. Yeah. I don't want those American chickens. I don't know. Those things are beefy, man. We get some little Canadian chickens that can survive the winter. There's some what's going on. FD White, another content creator. I saw FD White. FD White. I saw you on Billy Goat Tales, I believe. Another content creator. 268 subs. Let's try to, guys, go if you enjoy content, go check out FD White. He's in the chat right now. He's making lots of videos as well. I'm subscribed to him. You know, I am a believer in trying to help people who are trying to help themselves. Much love to you. Keep up the good work, man. It's not an easy game out here, but we try to help people who are trying to help others. So, guys, go check out FD White as well. And I also saw another streamer in here, Trade Intuition, I believe. Yeah, there's another one coming on up. Man, people are coming on up. I know time is limited, but you want to be going to people who are trying to help you, who are trying to do their best to help you and sharing their knowledge. So make sure you go and help out these content creators in our chat. Much love to you guys. Keep up the good work. Keep up the fight. And we'll get there together. Together, right? Community is everything. I want a mansion with chicks too, Hugh Hefner. Oh, man. Oh, man. Well, Mark, we gave you the wooden shoe to spank them bums. So, you know, everybody, let's throw some. Why isn't it showing shoes in the chat? I ain't getting, it ain't throwing the shoes in the chat for me. Maybe I'm not a member. Oh, man. Thank you, Lunar Beaches Crypto, for supporting new channels. And of course, Lunar Beaches Crypto, you got your own little LBC here. So we always supporting people. Now ADA is finding some support here. You can see it's kind of lagging after Bitcoin. So let's see if we can see any bullish momentum on ADA. ADA did have a nice move to the upside. Let's see if it can continue. Falling wedge. We called this falling wedge. We set the alarm. It has popped off. It's bouncing off key support right now. Very nice to see that it's held this 48 cents. The 50 cents level was our key target to get above. It did get above, but it has fallen through, okay? So we're going to have to keep a close eye on this. We are getting a red dot here on the daily, which is concerning, but it isn't confirmed, okay? 12-hour looking to push back, okay? Not quite push back yet, but it is holding that support that we just talked about. So that's a good sign in my books. But yes, this 50 cent area is going to be the struggle for Bitcoin to get above again, okay? So we want to see it get above this 50 cent, and then we can be looking for continuation to the upside, okay? For now, you can see we're getting a crossover here on the 4-hour on the VWAP, so it does look to push to the upside. Wait for that confirmation on the 3-hour. Let's see if we got it. 3-hour confirmation, green dot, crossover the VWAP. So this could be looking to possibly push up to get into this 50 cent level. Okay, let's go to the 1-hour. So yeah, a lot of chop here. This is a bear flag, so be aware that this is a bear flag. So you could come up to here and get rejected. Your level of retracement is going to be at, the 0.5 would be ideal. So if you do get up to this 50 cent area on ADA, you could be looking for the rejection here, some sort of double top continuation to the downside. However, let Bitcoin lead the way. Bitcoin did pop off from something like this morning, so this could be dragged up in the near future. This could trail Bitcoin if Bitcoin continues to push, which I believe, look at that. Guys, we gave it here on the live, on the Bitcoin. My God, there it is. Nice rejection off the golden pocket, guys. Nice rejection off the golden pocket. Andy Lee, whoa, I missed the live streams. Hugs and love, otters. I will have to watch from the beginning. Much love to you, Andy Lee. Thank you so much for dropping by and supporting the channel. Yeah, we're doing a live stream because we're going golfing today around 3 o'clock. So we're just getting you guys the live stream early, making sure that we're keeping you guys all informed. Much love to you. Thank you for dropping by. Guys, make sure you smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're here live trying to help you guys be profitable. We called this move to the upside, rejection from the golden pocket. If you're not part of our Discord, the TA was given here in advance, 43,000. This was given to you all the way at 10 a.m. this morning. So we were well prepared in advance for this move coming up to the 43,000 mark, targeting back down to the range lows. Okay, so the proof's in the pudding. We're giving you guys the fire. I trade, you trade, we all benefit. I make my living off of trading. We're traders helping traders looking to profit off of these markets, and hopefully we can do it all together. Okay, so nice move back up here. Swing failure pattern down. Continuation up here. We'll look to see if we can come down and break structure in the next couple hours. However, it does look like Bitcoin's got a lot of bullish momentum to the upside. Doesn't mean we can't come up to the 786. We are just looking for levels that will hold us down in the near future. However, Bitcoin has a lot of bullish momentum to the upside right now. So let's see if we do get this rejection or if we do come up higher here, which is looking to push past and continue its way upwards. Massive move here for Bitcoin. Very, very nice move. Let's expect other things to trail. We got Ethereum doing the same thing. Let's see Solana. Solana's doing the same thing. Okay, ADA's trying to get above here. Remember, 50 cent level is going to be key level of resistance. Matic's getting a nice move to the upside. Okay, a lot of things are pushing right now. And Link is off to the races, baby. Let's go, Link. For all my Link holders out here, massive move, guys. Massive, massive move here for a lot of things across the board. Good to see. After some bullish manufacturing news, let's see the S&P right now. The S&P did gap to the upside. It came back down, filled up half of that gap. Now it's continuing to push upwards. Let's see the dollar. The dollar is plummeting, guys. So this could be the catalyst right now, is that the dollar is dying, as we all know, with those bank runs that happened the other day. And A lot of people not wanting to hold dollars right now. So very, very nice move. Optimism's lagging. Okay, optimism's lagging. Is there anything else? So go over to your heat map, guys. If you press the plus button here, you can go over to heat maps. You can go to crypto. Okay, pull up the crypto heat map on your trading view. You can see what's trading, what's bullish, what's bearish, right? You can eliminate a lot of these. Tron's got a nice move. This is just like bubbles, but it's in trading view, so I find it more useful. And then you can go over here on the left-hand side, and you can go to volatility, which is on the downside here. And I always keep up this volatility chart here. Now you can select at the top here many things to what's moving, okay? And then I will eliminate some of these so I can see that Avalanche is moving nice. Chainlink's massively moving right now. 12% on Chainlink. Let's go to, Chainlink, Celestia, BitTensor, Render. Okay, we just bought 10K worth of Render down here. So I mean, my Render bags are flying right now. That's pretty awesome. So very, very nice move across the board on a lot of things right now. Guys, don't fight this pump. Wait for confirmation of an exhaustion. Okay, we give you these ideas, these levels, these areas of interest that we have marked out on our charts. And from these areas of interest, we're looking for a reaction of price so that we can look for bearish divergence, exhaustion of wicks, right? Look at this beautiful rejection from yesterday. We were able to jump into, we didn't jump into a short there, but we jumped into a long down here. I mean, all these levels we share every morning for you guys. We are looking for a rejection in this big red box above us here, and then we are looking for some retracements throughout. So right now, let's be patient, right? It's Thursday. It's typically a down day, and we're getting a pump, which is kind of ironic. However, we got to prepare ourselves the best we can for the next coming days, because we do know that we do have some data coming out tomorrow where we have to be prepared for, where we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Okay, so that's coming out tomorrow in the morning, 8:30. So be careful around 8:30 Eastern Standard Time tomorrow. And then we also know that we do have a lot of earnings that we shared at the beginning of the week for all of this, that we have Amazon, Meta, Apple coming out today, okay, after close. So the close might be a little bit scary. So make sure you check on Apple, Amazon, and Meta and check on their earnings so that we can see that tomorrow's open may be bearish or bullish. Okay, that's something to give you a front run onto trading tomorrow morning, is the closes of Meta, Amazon, and Apple. Okay, and that could affect Bitcoin because it's 24/7. So make sure you guys are very prepared for anything. But that's enough out of me. I think I've given you all I've got. And I'm very grateful to every single one of you guys. Thank you for supporting the stream. Thank you for supporting me. Oh my God, Army Piper's at 1,070 subscribers. He's gotten almost, the Bitcoin price prediction video is blowing up. He's gotten 800 views on that already. This is intense. This is intense. Awesome. Awesome. We love seeing our friend win.
Pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up.
That's enough out of me, guys. But thank you so much for being here. If there's any TA or anything you want me to look at, join us in the free Discord. Link is in the description below. We're always here trying to help you guys be profitable. I know it's random today, the stream, but we thought that we would definitely take take Ben's spot in the live stream. But we're very grateful for every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel, supporting me, supporting our friends. God bless every single one of you guys. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I will see you guys in the Discord and tomorrow at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, our usual time tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless you and have a great rest of your day. Peace.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade.
I think that's a bullish engulfing candle. Have a great day, guys.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, that of no casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.